pulled up.
Okay, I was going to say it looks a little far up.
Yeah, just drop down a bit. That's why
I was thinking that, yeah.
you can maybe experiment with the Kickstarter.
Yeah.
Thing, you know, like maybe you don't have to cut it out. Maybe if you drop the motor just enough. Of course, the more you drop it, the more this comes out in relationship to this, and this might have to come out more, type thing. Or
and then you have to mount to this hole here too, right?
Yep.
So there's these two that you still have to get to.
yeah.
So it's like maybe like a slope here, just like a one-piece round slope with two brackets coming out.
Nice welds on this swing arm here and these.
Yeah. He's a good welder.
This shape of this pipe, this one's panning out to look good.
That one's pretty cool.
How long have you been here?
About 10 years.
Yeah. It's hard to escape the place with so much stuff, kind of, huh?
Well, yeah. Back 10 years ago, little jobs like this used to come in the door all the time.
Yeah.
Everybody was like doing stuff. Take the wheel out. I got a really nice welder as a machine, but can't even run the damn thing.
Yeah, welding is all about the skills.
It's just a weird kind of skill, unlike machining.
What do you mean by that?
Well, when the machine's doing a lot of the stuff. You know? And welding, it's like your hand holding this thing and sort of floating this thing in this heat ball, you know. And then the other problem is all the extension cords.
Yeah, that's true. There's a lot more combination of it.
Yeah.
And movement where
Machining's all about
put it in and set it and then finish it, right?
Yeah, this wheel spacer likes to pop out. You always put it in.
Comes right in.
Yeah, that thing in. And that comes
Inside.
out.
This
And
is
the
on that
wheel's
side.
out.
It's outside.
Yeah, outside there. Yeah, machining's all about violence. And welding's all about massage. You ain't clogging. You know, it's all about how fast you can tear the metal off or this or that. One arm bolt. That's out.
That's a nice.
And grab this. Get that nut off there. Now the next phase. There goes that way. Okay, good. Motor's happy now. Now we'll just bolt out. There we go. Beautiful. There. And now you slide the motor forward. Okay, just let it rest like that.
Okay.
Now the trick is this bushing slides and you kind of move the swing arm over just a little bit.
To the right, to this side?
Yeah. See this? See this bushing is counterboard.
On both sides the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Well,
No.
it's bigger on the frame side, so you can't really put it on wrong. See, it fits on the frame.
Oh, okay, I got
The other
you.
way. Yeah.
Doesn't.
So-
Okay, excellent.
So, and what the cool thing about this is, since the original bolt's 12 millimeter, but the new one, or the old one, was like a bigger 17 millimeter bolt. I pulled the bushings out of the cases and put new ones in that are stainless with a smaller hole.
Okay.
Right, to get down to the 12. And by doing this, it takes all the load and puts it way out here and not on the bolt at all.
Straight through it.
Yeah. So it's like a torque type thing.
That's
and then
pretty
it's
slick.
then I got
Cheers.
these made these the Delrin locator discs. These are heat treated, by the way, and then there's seals on both sides.
Nice.
So this is going to rust. This one shows. So you might want to put some black paint on it
Okay.
or something like that. So almost pop through there. Okay. So then when putting it back together, This little baby like this. This sticks out like that. You kind of, what you do is you kind of slide it over
Onto
this bung.
onto that bung, and then
Yeah,
slip that in.
Yeah, and get it back going the other way.
So it's sliding over there, and then we're gonna slip this in here.
And that goes in there, and then we come back.
Come back onto it. To the
And get this click in there. Then the trick thing to do is to put the bolt in just enough. Take the axle bolt and put it on the other side to keep the swing arm from walking around all over the place.
Good call. Good
Right?
call.
So that's all there.
Now we're
Back to
swingable.
that. Now we're gonna, as the British would say, offer up the engine. Yes. Gonna wind up in there and kind of start giving it a little
Massaging.
dilly-dally. Here I come.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Oh, God. Was it good for you?
That was good.
I was excited.
So that's that. You know, and then you take this like this. You know,
Yeah.
and then you walk it in, walk that into the thing.
Yeah.
You know, and then you're. That was a little mistake. I misjudged the. No, this thing's dog leg.
How
The
so?
bolt-on part. It goes-
Oh yeah, yeah.
I thought it went straight, but then I measured that thing, and that thing isn't exactly on the axle center line.
The little
It's
holder.
not.
Yeah,
Oh
it
no.
dropped like a millimeter. You dick fuck.
You dick fuck.
Yeah.
Agreed.
This is what we could do. Two piece. It's
Yeah.
pressed in.
Pretty amazing nonetheless, though.
I've made so many.
But this piece is pressed in?
Yeah, that's pressed into the
Wow.
plate.